This is question number 15, exercise 5.3 pertaining to arithmetic progressions, that is AP. This says a contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of construction beyond a certain date as follows, that is rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, and so on. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than the preceding day, how much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. So in this case we'll see that the contractor has to pay penalty of 200 rupees first day, then it is increasing every time by rupees 50, so which is making a common difference of D equivalent to rupees 50. So it means this is a series of arithmetic progression. So we can use this formula directly, or we can find it otherwise also, but okay, because formula is simple in this case. So first we'll say that what is a series. So here the AP arithmetic progressions series is 200, then it is 250, first term is 200 rupees, second term is 250 rupees, third term is 300, and it goes on up to 30 days to 30 terms, we'll say 30 days or 30 terms. So in this case this series is in the AP as your A1, that is first term, is 200 rupees, D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 250 minus 50, 250 minus D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to 250 minus 200, that is D is equal to 50. The number of days are 30, so it means the number of terms will be, that is n is 30 in this case. So we have to find the sum of penalty the contractor has to pay in case of delay of 30 days. So this is AP series. We will use the formula of sum here, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the one formula. Other formula also we can use, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 within the bracket a plus an, that is first term and the last term. So last term we can find out because this is the first term 200, so every time we have to add 50, so we can add in the remaining n minus 1 terms 50. So that will also give last term, but that is lengthy. So this is simple one. We'll use this one because here we'll use as a number of terms 30 instead of multiplying. So that is better. So here n is equal to 30 divided by 2. 2a, 2 into a is first term, that is 200 plus n minus 1. So total number of terms, number of days 30, so n is 30 minus 1 into d is 50. Common difference is 50. So this equals to 30 divided by 2, 15. So 2 into 200, that is 400 plus 30 minus 1, 29, 29 into 50, 29 into 50, 5 into 9, 45, that is 4, 5 into 2, 10, so 40, 145 into 10, so 1450. So this is 1450, which is equal to 15 into 1450 plus 400, that is 1850. So 1850 into 15, so this is equal to 1500, 15 into 5, 75, that is 7 is the remainder, 15 into 8, 120 plus 7, 127, so 7 will come here, 12 is the remainder, 50 into 15 plus 12, that is 27, 27,750 rupees is the penalty, that is sum of penalty is 27,750, which the contractor has to pay in case the work is delayed by 30 days. So this we have to find out. So this is over. This is question number 16, exercise 5.3 pertaining to arithmetic progressions, that is AP. This says a sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than the preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. So here we know that total sum of sum of prizes is 700 and number of prizes is 7, that is n is 7 and Sn is given as 700. And now we have to check out whether this series is in AP or not, because every time amount is decreasing by 20 rupees, that is price amount is decreasing by 20 rupees, that is D is 20, that is common difference is 20 only. So this is in the AP series only. So we can use the formula or directly also we can find it out. That is a simple way. So we'll see first by using the AP series formula of Sn, we will see. So here let the first price we don't know how much, we will assume it to be x rupees. Then the second price will be x minus 20, which is 20 rupees less. Similarly, third price will be x minus 20 minus 20. So this becomes x minus 20 minus 20. So x minus 40 rupees. Similarly, fourth price, fifth price, sixth price, you can calculate. Okay, we will write those because we have to find all the 7 prices, so better to write it. So fourth price will be, it will be further less by 20, so x minus 60. Fifth price will be equivalent to x minus 60 minus 20, that is x minus 80. Sixth price will be x minus 80 minus 20, that is x minus 100. And the seventh price will be x minus 100 minus 20, 100, x minus 120 rupees. So these are the 7 prices. So one way is you add all these prices, that is x plus x minus 20 plus x minus 40 plus x minus 60 plus x minus 80 plus x minus 100 plus x minus 120, and this is equal to 700, and you find the value of x. So that will give first price. Then again second price will be x minus 20. What is the value of x? You make minus 20. So then third price will be x minus, second price will be x minus 20, third price will be x minus 40. So put the value of x in each price and you will get all the prices. So this is simple way, but we will solve it by AP-SN formula, which is nothing but, here in this case we can say A is equal to x rupees, D is equal to common difference, that is 20 minus 20, because this is decreasing order, so it is less, and n is equal to 7 prices are there, number of, and Sn we have been given as 700 rupees. So we have to find the value of x. So we know the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2. Here we know the first term and the last term, so we can use both any of the formulas. So we'll see, first we use a plus an, that is the last term, which is equal to n by 2 is 7 by 2, and here first term is x and the last term is x minus 120. So this is equivalent to or Sn is given as 700, so we'll say 700 also we'll add here only. So on cross multiplying we will be getting 700 into 2 by 7 is equal to first term, that is x, plus last term, that is x minus 120, or this is equivalent to 700 divided by 700 into 2 200 120 will bring on the left hand side, so this becomes plus is equal to 2x, or x is equal to 200 plus 120, 320 divided by 2, that is 160. So here first price is of the value of rupees 160, and second price will be, we'll say first price x is equal to rupees 160, and the second price will be equal to, it is x minus 20, that is 160 minus 20 is equal to 140, and so on. So you can calculate, that is again seventh price will be x minus 120, that is equivalent to 160 minus 120 is equal to 40 rupees. So like that you can calculate third, fourth and fifth, sixth prices also, because in the question they are asking for all the prices, so you calculate that one also. So this is the way it can be done. This is one of the ways. Then you can use other formula also. Sn is equal to n by 2 within the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. That will also give the value of x. From there you can find out. That is a first price. So other prices can be found out as we have done in this case. So this is over now. This we wanted to find out.